Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota. Almost forgot to make a video. I was just getting ready to leave. Had a full day today, but I'm gonna take you around and show you what I got finished today. I gotta fill this back in quick. All right. So today we finished building one of two herb spirals, and then I planted one of the apple tree guilds. Planted like I don't know, maybe 10 trees and bushes, and just ran out of time. So I'll flip you around and take you on a little walk. Hopefully my battery doesn't run out. Here we go. That is it looks like my battery's getting low. But anyway, that is the herb spiral. And filled it with a couple inches of pea gravel there. And now I'm filling it with twigs and sticks. And then we're gonna fill it with my secret soil. And there's hard to see, but that's a snowberry right there. And those things all winter have red berries on them, so that's why they call it snowberry, because it stands out. I put that red currant in today in this bed. Let's see, I put a golden currant in on the end of this berry line, and a raspberry on the end here. There's going to be some gummy berries and a few other things, some more golden currant and black currants going in down this row. How you doing? And then we finish this apple tree guild here, and a lot of it is seed right now, and I'm going to get some starts and throw them in there as soon as they're available. But if you're looking at this, we have apple tree in the middle, and you can't see it because they're all seeds right now, but I have marigold, nasturtium, dandelions, clover, all different types of clover. I got beets, I got carrots, I got onions, I got sage, I got oregano, I got black currant, I got comfrey, I got raspberries, I got strawberries in here. And what else? Rhubarb. And I might be missing something, but that is all going to support that apple tree and each other. And this bed is going to be the exact same. It's just going to be flip-flopped in the opposite direction. And here we didn't do anything out here in front yet today. That's going to be Thursday. And what I put in the ground here today, I put in there's another red currant right there. Let's see, nothing in this bed today. And then we put a red currant in here, and then I think this one is a dwarf bush honeysuckle. Yeah, that's it. And then we put in another red currant here, and then we put in a mulberry here. So far I got mulberry, comfrey, elderberry, and a black sugar maple. And then here we have all the berries. They're starting to liven back up, but that's what we got here, people. And just imagine in a couple weeks when this place is just blooming with life. And look at this apricot tree. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's 4 apricot trees here, and they're all blooming like that. And then the trees down here are starting to bloom. Everything's looking great. But you know, you want your yard to look like this, have food growing everywhere, give me a shout. Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or visit my website, foodforestabundancemn.com, foodforestabundancemn.com, or send me a text message at 612-990-5345, and let's transform your lawn into a regenerative, edible landscape that can feed your family for generations to come. Grow food, not lawn, my friends. Have an amazing Tuesday night. See you tomorrow from Norwood, Young America.